Neuroprotective effects of natural plant extracts, ginkgo biloba, curcuma longa, and Withania somnifera, in Parkinson's disease models, a meta-analysis. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Parkinson's disease, PD, is a neurological illness that deteriorates over a period and usually impairs movement. Natural plant extracts have gained increasing interest in recent times because of their potential to provide neuroprotection. This study performs a meta-analysis of the neuroprotective advantages supplied by natural plant extracts, putting considerable focus on ginkgo biloba, curcuma longa, and Withania somnifera, as tested in diverse PD models. A systematic literature exploration was undertaken through electronic databases, together with PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar, for the period from January 2000 to August 2024. The principal ways in which these substances function have been identified as antioxidant activity, anti-inflammatory effects, and the modulation of neurotransmitter levels. Curcuma longa and ginkgo biloba each showed remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and curcuma longa, in particular, reduced oxidative stress and inflammation via curcumin-mediated neuroprotection. The management of mitochondrial function and the balance of neurotransmitters has indicated neuroprotective features associated with Withania somnifera. Dopaminergic neuron loss is a key feature of Parkinson's disease, and protecting these neurons or boosting dopamine synthesis is critical for neuroprotection. Several included studies found that ginkgo biloba enhanced dopamine levels in the striatum and therefore modulated dopamine metabolism. Despite successful results in preclinical research, the leap to clinical implementation is challenging due to difficulties with bioavailability and the requirement for standardized extracts. This article highlights the potential therapeutic benefits of natural extracts such as PD supportive treatments, but it also emphasizes the need for more studies, clinical studies in particular, to determine these extracts' effectiveness in treating human populations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.